So the other presentation tool I used is a Prezi. I thought about using VideoScribe, but I thought VideoScribe was a lot like Powtoon in the way it was, how it was like a video type thing and very fluid. So I wanted to do something a little different, so I did Prezi, or same thing of Battle of Tippecanoe. And I really like Prezi because it's also fluid and it allows you a lot of room to be creative. And I like it because I have a lot of room to put pictures, which I think can help a lot as you go through here. And it still gives you all the same information. It's just a little less fluid as like a video would be, but also when students are going through here, it allows it to be a little bit more interactive, I think, because they're the ones that have to do the clicking. They're the ones going from place to place to find new information on the Prezi. So I think it allows them the chance to be a little bit more interactive, which is a big advantage of Prezi. And that's my Prezi presentation.